You want to speak better English, but you don't know what to practice, or how, or where to start. Today, that's over. This is your 15-minute speaking drill. Follow along. Speak out loud, and by the end, your mouth will feel different. Let's go. First, one thing to understand. Your brain learns speaking by doing it, not by watching, not by listening, by actually moving your mouth and making sounds. So from this moment, speak everything out loud. Every word, every sentence, every response. If you stay silent, this won't work. Deal? Good. Let's start. We're going to warm up first. Just like a runner stretches before running, your mouth needs to warm up too. Say this out loud. I speak English every day. Again, faster. I speak English every day. One more time, natural speed. I speak English every day. Good. Now this one. I'm getting better and better. Say it like you mean it. I'm getting better and better. Don't rush. Don't mumble. Let every word come out clearly. One more warm-up line. I don't need to be perfect. I just need to keep going. Say it out loud, right now. Your mouth is moving. Good. That's already more than most people do today. Now let's get into real language, real situations, real sentences you can use tomorrow. We start with greetings and small talk. This is where most people freeze first. Someone says, "How are you doing?" And suddenly, your mind goes blank. So let's fix that right now. Someone asks, "How are you doing?" Don't just say, "Fine." That ends the conversation. Instead say, "Pretty good, thanks. It's been a busy week." Say that out loud. "Pretty good, thanks. It's been a busy week." Now shadow it again with feeling. "Pretty good, thanks. It's been a busy week." Notice the rhythm. Pretty good, thanks. It's been a busy week. Stress the right words. That's what makes it sound natural. Try this one. Someone says, "How was your weekend?" You say, "It was really good, actually. I finally had some time to relax." Out loud now. "It was really good, actually. I finally had some time to relax." The word actually makes it sound real. Native speakers use it all the time. It adds a natural pause. It gives you one extra second to think. Say it again. "It was really good, actually." Feel that? Natural, easy, real. Now let's move to something slightly harder. Opinions. Someone asks, "What do you think about working from home?" A lot of learners say, "I think it is good," and stop. That sounds unfinished. Here's a better version. Honestly, I think it has both advantages and disadvantages. For me personally, I prefer a mix of both. Say that out loud. Honestly, I think it has both advantages and disadvantages. Again, for me personally, I prefer a mix of both. Now put it together. Honestly, I think it has both advantages and disadvantages. For me personally, I prefer a mix of both. That's a B2 answer. You just said it. Well done. Here's a pattern you can use for almost any opinion question. Remember it. Use it daily. Honestly, I think. For me personally, but I understand that. Let's practice it with a different topic. What do you think about social media? Your turn. Use the pattern, say it out loud, right now. Start with, honestly, I think. Go. Don't wait. Speak. Good. Whatever you said, that was real English. Your English. Keep going. Now we move to a very common situation. You're in a conversation and something goes wrong. You didn't hear, you didn't understand, or your sentence gets lost halfway. This happens to everyone, native speakers too. The difference is they know what to say next. So here are your rescue phrases. When you don't understand, "Sorry, could you say that again?" Say it out loud. "Sorry, could you say that again?" When you need a moment, "Give me a second, I want to answer properly." Out loud. "Give me a second, I want to answer properly." When your sentence breaks in the middle, "Let me rephrase that." Say it. "Let me rephrase that." These 3 phrases will save you in almost every difficult conversation. Practice them until they come out automatically. No thinking, just words. Let's do a short shadowing sequence now. I'll give you a sentence, you repeat it immediately, out loud. Don't wait, don't think, just shadow. Ready? I've been learning English for a few years now. Say it. I've been learning English for a few years now. Some days are easier than others. Say it. Some days are easier than others. But I never stop practicing. Say it. But I never stop practicing. Now all 3 together. Smooth, natural, like one thought. I've been learning English for a few years now. Some days are easier than others, but I never stop practicing. Say the whole thing now. Go. That right there, that's a real answer to tell me about your English journey. You just practiced it without even realizing it. Let's shift now. Work situations, because this is where English really matters for most people. Your manager asks, "Can you give me an update on the project?" A weak answer, "Yes, the project is going, we are working." A strong answer, "Sure, we're making good progress. We should finish by the end of the week." Say the strong answer out loud. "Sure, we're making good progress. We should finish by the end of the week." Notice 3 things. Sure, confident opener. We're making good progress, clear and positive. We should finish by the end of the week. Gives a timeline. Short, clear, professional. That's all you need. Say it one more time. Sure, we're making good progress. We should finish by the end of the week. Now your colleague asks, "Do you have a minute to talk?" You're busy, but you want to be polite. Say this, "I'm a little busy right now. Can we talk in about 10 minutes?" Out loud. "I'm a little busy right now. Can we talk in about 10 minutes?" Simple, honest, respectful. No long explanation needed. Here's a quick challenge. Speak your answer out loud right now. Imagine your manager asks, "What's the biggest challenge you're facing this week?" Don't think too long. Start with honestly or to be honest and give one real answer. Go. Speak now. 30 seconds. Whatever comes out. Whatever you said, you spoke. That's the practice. The content doesn't matter right now. The habit does. Now let's work on something that separates B1 from B2, linking your ideas together smoothly. Most learners speak in short, disconnected sentences. I like my job. It is good. Sometimes it is hard. That sounds choppy. Here's how to connect those same ideas. I really like my job. Even though it can be challenging sometimes, I think it's worth it. Say that out loud. I really like my job. Even though it can be challenging sometimes, I think it's worth it. The phrase, even though, does the connecting. It shows contrast. It makes your English sound more natural immediately. Try it with your own job or your own studies. Start with, I really like, and then add, even though. Say it now, out loud. Here are a few more connecting words, short ones, powerful ones. However, use it to show contrast. I wanted to finish early, however, I had too many meetings. Say it. I wanted to finish early, however, I had too many meetings. So, use it to show result. I was really tired, so I went to bed early. Say it. I was really tired, so I went to bed early. Actually, use it to add a surprising detail. It was a hard week. Actually, it was the hardest week this year. Say it. It was a hard week. Actually, it was the hardest week this year. These three words, however, so, actually, use them every day. They will immediately make your English sound more connected and natural. Let's do another shadowing round. This time, the sentences are slightly longer. Stay with me. Keep speaking. When I speak English, I try not to translate in my head. Say it. When I speak English, I try not to translate in my head. I just say what feels right. Say it. I just say what feels right. And most of the time, it works. Say it. And most of the time, it works. Now all together. Smooth, confident. When I speak English, I try not to translate in my head. I just say what feels right. And most of the time, it works. Say the whole thing now. Own it. Good. Do you feel the difference from when we started? Your mouth is warmer. Your rhythm is better. Your brain is connecting faster. That's 15 minutes of real work. All right, let's finish with one final situation. Meeting someone new. This happens everywhere. At work, at a party, on a trip. And it always starts the same way. Hi, I don't think we've met. I'm... Name. Say that out loud with your own name. Hi, I don't think we've met. I'm... They respond. They say their name. Now you say, nice to meet you. How do you know the people here? Or, at work, nice to meet you. Are you new to the team? Both questions are simple. Both keep the conversation moving. Both show you're interested. Say this one out loud. Nice to meet you. Are you new to the team? Natural, friendly, confident. And when the conversation is ending, don't just disappear. Say, it was really nice talking to you. Or, I hope we get a chance to talk more later. Say both out loud right now. It was really nice talking to you. I hope we get a chance to talk more later. Those two sentences leave a great impression every time. All right, you've been speaking for 15 minutes. Real sentences, real situations, real English. Here's what to do next. Come back to this drill tomorrow and the day after. Same drill, same sentences, but faster, smoother, more confident each time. Shadowing works through repetition, not one time, many times. Your speaking doesn't improve when you study. It improves when you open your mouth, so keep it open. Same time tomorrow.